Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga X50. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga X50 isn't responding to the water sensor, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can cause your device to malfunction. This problem can arise due to a faulty sensor or a connection issue within the device. If left unaddressed, it might lead to further damage, affecting the overall performance of your cleaner. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, a multimeter, and a replacement water sensor for the Conga X50. Begin by ensuring your device is unplugged and turned off. Carefully use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel of the Conga X50. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the plastic clips. Now, locate the water sensor, which should be near the water tank compartment. You might need to refer to the device's schematic or manual if you're having trouble finding it. Once located, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the sensor using your tweezers. Remember to take note of where each wire connects for reassembly later. Next, remove the faulty water sensor by unscrewing it from its position. Install the new sensor by screwing it into place and reconnecting the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached. When reconnecting the wires, it's important to double-check that they are in their original positions to avoid any potential issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the sensor, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring that all clips are properly aligned and secure. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, making sure not to over-tighten them as this could strip the threads. Once everything is back in place, plug in your device and turn it on to verify that the water sensor is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your water tank and sensor area to avoid any buildup that might affect performance. Additionally, ensure that you handle your device with care to minimize the risk of damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.